Hi guys, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So today we're going to be looking at my Samsung dishwasher. Got a quick little repair to do. It's with the upper tray. It allows it to sit there and then drop a little bit. It's an adjustment. Now the adjustment pieces are plastic and they broke. So we're going to be taking a look at it. We got some new ones in, I think from Amazon, and we're going to go ahead and replace them. So let's take a look, see what we got. I'll show you what's broken, and we'll go and attempt to try to replace it. So as you can see right here, these are our adjustment things to allow the tray to go up or down. And if you have stuff that's really tall in there, you can adjust it down so the top blade does not hit anything. So this is it. You can see the clips are all broken. This is what it should look like with all these clips. Those are pretty much all broken there. And on this side, we have two that are remaining. So we're going to attempt to take this off, replace it, and put it back together. Alright guys, so this is what we got here. As you can see, there was nothing holding this side on. Nothing whatsoever, so we're going to take that off. We're going to clean that up. It's got a little bit of food and junk in it, so we'll clean that up real quick and get back to you. Alright, we're going to take this piece. There we go. Take this piece, slide it in. Doesn't matter where right now, just slide it in. So over here, now we just got to take it and slide it, push it towards so it locks this piece in place. There we go. That should be it. Really simple. And then now we should be able to adjust up or down. There we go. Perfect. So that worked out really good. Let's do the other side. So we'll repeat the same thing on the other side. This is a quick, probably 5-minute fix, guys. So to get this one out, since we have a couple clips, pull it back towards the opposite way. Now we'll take our new one, kind of just put it in anywhere for now. And then we just have to line up our pieces here. Come, that isn't lining up. There we go. Just going to take it, push it in till it clips. There we go. And that's it. Now we can adjust up or adjust down. See? And I press that and it drops. So gives you a couple extra inches. That's all you're going to need. There we go, got that side on. Got that side on. Helps if we get this adjusted all in the right way. There we go. Perfect. So you guys just saw us fix that probably within about 5 minutes or less. So it was a quick and easy fix. So if you like this kind of stuff, guys, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, never stop learning.